Varinam. Om Sanno Bandhurjanita Savidhata Dhamani Veda Bhuvanani Visva Yatra Deva Amrita Manasana Sritiye Dhamanya Dairayanta. Om Agnenaya Supataraye Asman Viswani Deva Vayunani Vidwan Yuyo Desmachurana Meno Bhuistante Namahuktim Videma Iti Saraswati Pratana Upasana Mantraha. Let us do Achman. Take the water in your right palm. After the mantra, you can sit this water. Om Amrito Pastranamasi Swaha. Second time. Om Amrita Pidanamasi Swaha. Third time. Om Satyam Esa Sirmai Sri Saratam Swaha. Please rinse your hand. Wash your hand. Now take water in your left palm. Then with the help of middle two fingers of right hand, you can touch the various parts of the organs after the mantra.